I got garden netting kit. This is super cool for anyone who loves gardening because you get a set of a pack of hoops, clips, and there are different ways you can assemble it. Short and long or tall. And there's this netting and that protects from animals or insects. Here are the tubes or pipes, I would call them, and there are different shapes. Some are straight and some are curved, and these are the connectors. I have a little helper here, so we put this tube on the side and connect this piece over here.
Yeah.
Good. And now let's do this side. That is super easy to do. And you just stick it into the ground. And then there's this assembly. So it really depends on what kind of gardening situation you have, how big are the garden beds, and whether you have some tall starters. That's how you would assemble. And here's the net. It is super thin and light. It's a really big piece, so you can cut it to pieces that you need depending on how you assemble, and there's quite a bit. And this is the thickness of single layer, so super light. Instruction card says garden net is used as outdoor plant cover. You can cut to different sizes according to your needs. Lightweight material, long service life, no plant bud burden, and it allows sunlight, air, and rain to pass through. So it's super thin and doesn't inconvenience plants, but yet it protects from insects, birds, and animals. We have clips to clip the net onto our frame. Little clips, and it's like a one piece, but if you put a little bit of pressure on, it kind of opens up and just slip on here. So once you have the net over your structure, so to speak, you would put a clip on to hold the net in place. And it holds it, you can't pull on it. And to remove, pretty much same thing, just press on these little ears, I would call them, and pull it off. And then you can take this off at the end of the season, and it's easy to disassemble this structure as well. Just pull the pieces apart. They do have those little kind of grips to help it holds on to it. So to recap our garden netting kit, we have pieces to assemble, structure over your plants, and put this net over to protect from insects, birds, or animals. And it's easy to use, and all the pieces are easy to use. And this piece you can cut to whatever you need. I do plan to follow up with another video to actually put it in my garden and use it, so stay tuned, because right now it's not quite time yet. I really wanted to show with all the greens inside and see how practical it is.